Hi and welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisal videos on Monday the 8th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at sterling dollar now, and we've got this continued sort of traction to the downside. We saw big strong candle on Thursday on the back of the Bank of England. Downside candle on Friday, which actually lost momentum into the close. Didn't get a closing breach of 3060, 3060 being this floor that I've got in here as the red line. Floor over the past few weeks. 3060 was broken intraday, but then rebounded and closed just mildly above it. Again, it's testing that downside move, and unless you get sort of a closing breach of that level, I can't see that you're sort of getting calling the big breakdown yet. And I think this is going to happen. I think we are going to see a breakdown, but you can't quite see the move sort of following through quite yet. Yes, you're sort of mildly broken again on the intraday basis, 3052. But you can't quite be confirmed on the breakdown yet. So stochastics are gaining the traction to the downside. Yes, MACD lines are coming together. RSI back at 40. So this is all pretty much negatively set up, but you haven't quite seen that that breakdown yet. Now, in terms of the hourly chart, you can see here that we've got some interesting levels actually. The old breakdown 3060. Is the initial thing to take away from that, the fact that we've made that move. But yes, you look at the hourly chart, we've actually rebounded from 3030 already, so that 25 ticks unwound. We're just not quite gaining that traction yet. Now, there is a pivot line, 31 figure. 31 figure had become a basis of support from Thursday and then Friday, and is now that basis of support is becoming the basis of resistance today. On Friday and today. So 31 figure is interesting. So between 31 figure and also 3060, 3060 being an old pivot line, which was mildly broken to the upside, 3175, but then fell over on that payrolls report. So that would suggest that there is a big resistance now near term between 31 figure and 3175. So if you did see this mildly unwinding, I'd say that could give you a little bit of a selling opportunity within that level, within those two levels, 31 figure to 3175. So I think this is going to break down, but it's just not quite making the momentum for the downside break yet. And you do need a closing break, I think, to really sort of give you the confidence that it is going to decisively break. But for now, we're still waiting for that confirmation. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.